The Zoll AED-3, the AED that leads the way. All Zoll AEDs are equipped with real CPR help technology. It empowers rescuers with the tools necessary to provide high-quality CPR. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the latest addition to Zoll's AED family, the Zoll AED-3. We're now going to turn on the Zoll AED-3 to demonstrate some of the advanced features, as well as show you the power of real CPR help.
Unit, OK. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. If patient is a child, press Child button.
Quickly change to a child rescue if needed.
Remove pad package. Cut or tear clothing to expose patient's bare chest.
The pad package includes a large scissor for cutting away clothing.
Cut or tear clothing to expose patient's bare chest.
It also includes a patient prep kit with razor, wipes, and other items.
Open pad package. Attach pads to patient's bare chest.
Matching screen and pad graphics show proper pad placement for adults or children.
Attach pads to patient's bare chest. If patient is a child, press Child button.
The color screen graphics and CPR landmark on the
Don't
pads
touch
provide
patient
guidance
analyzer.
on proper hand placement. The Zoll AED-3 can see if CPR has begun and will continue to prompt the rescuer to start CPR.
No shock advised. Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
The bar gauge shows each compression in real time, so that if needed, a correction can be made on the very next compression. If compressions are too shallow, a voice and text prompt will indicate that you need to
Push harder. Push harder.
If my compressions are at the correct depth as indicated by the bolded bars between the two markers, the Zoll AED-3 will give me an encouraging,
Good compressions.
It's common for rescuers to tire as they do compressions. If they do, they'll again be prompted to push harder.
Push harder. Push harder.
If you stop compressions, the Zoll AED-3 can see this and will prompt you to continue CPR.
Continue CPR.